Welcome to Homework Tutor, the best way to learn how to solve all sorts of homework and schoolwork problems. Take a photo or load an image of a homework question. This one is interesting because it mixes everyday chemistry, particle ideas, and chemical equations to explain why some gases dissolve much more easily than others. Use the editor to remove anything that is not relevant to the question you want to understand. Here, that check step matters because the page includes diagrams, highlighted text, and equations, so the student can confirm the app is analyzing the right science content. Now click the Analyze button. The analysis starts, and we just need to wait a short time to get the analysis. The analysis is ready. The app has understood an Italian science page and summarizes it clearly in English first. The topic is gas solubility in water and polarity, with ammonia and hydrogen chloride as key examples. The same solution text is about to switch language. So the student can read the same explanation in English or Hungarian, and the visible text and spoken audio can match. You can listen to all the details in both languages.
Polar gases like ammonia can react with water and connect particle diagrams with chemical equations. The page explains that ammonia forms ammonium and hydroxide ions in water. This means more gas particles can move into the water before equilibrium is reached. Solubility values are reported at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere.
And here is the second language. The spoken explanation will now match the language visible on screen.
A poláris gázok, például az ammónia, reakcióba léphetnek a vízzel, és ez összekapcsolja a részecskemodellt a kémiai egyenletekkel. Az oldal bemutatja, hogy az ammónia ammónium és hidroxidionokat képez a vízben. Ez azt jelenti, hogy több gázrészecske tud a vízbe jutni, mielőtt beáll az egyensúly. Az oldhatósági értékeket 25 Celsius fokon és egy atmoszféra nyomáson adják meg.